This is Camo Pigeon 342, and today I'm going to show you how to get GBA or gpsphone onto your phone. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to need to go into your jailbroken phone, and you need to go into Installer. If you don't already have the source added, which was pretty much impossible, you're going to need to add it. So it is iAppcat.com/r/8875. I will post that in the video description. So what you're going to do is you're going to add that source, let it refresh, blah 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 blah, it's refreshing, go back into Installer, and it's going to say Camo Pigeon 342's repo. You're going to click on that. Now in here is going to be a bunch of emulators you're going to need to install gpsphone. I have a whole bunch of other stuff in there that's just random things that I use on my phone. So once you install that, you should have that icon. Now once you do all that, you're going to need to go onto your computer, and you're going to need to find something called iPhone browser. There's going to be a link where you can download this. iPhone browser is a hard connection to your phone that allows you to browse through the files on your phone. It's not SSHing, theoretically. It's a lot easier than that. You just kind of plug your phone in and it works. So you're going to get this link. I'm going to post it in the description. You're going to download this. This is the latest version of iPhone browser. You're going to download that. Then you're going to have that iPhone browser. You're going to launch that. It's going to look like this. So what you're going to do after that is you're going to plug your phone in. Plug your phone in. There, now it says, okay, my phone's plugged in, yay. If you jailbroke your phone or iPod Touch using ziphone, then you're going to have to install ziphone ibrickr fix, which is located in the repo I've provided. After that, your phone will show up jailbroken on iPhone browser. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Applications. After you do that, you're going to scroll down over here and click gpsphone app. Okay, and you're going to go over here and you're going to scroll down, and it says right here, this little file says place GBA BIOS.bin here. You're going to need to put the BIOS into here. This will work for all versions of the firmware that are currently out. I don't know about 2.0. I haven't used it at all. So after that, you're going to need to download the GBA BIOS to wherever you want to download it to. I already have it downloaded. I'll have a link in my video description. So this is where I have my GBA BIOS. See that? That is my GBA BIOS. I'm going to click and drag that. Go to iPhone browser and just click and drag it right into there. I already have it in, so I'm not going to, but you just drop it. You just let go of the mouse. Alright. So once you do that, you're going to need to go back over here. I'm going to minimize this little thing. And you're going to need to go into var. Now depending on which version of the firmware you're running, if you're running 1.1.2 or earlier, you need to go into root, and then media, and then ROMs. So basically, if you're running 1.1.2 or earlier, you're going to do the same thing I do right now, except you're going to do it in this folder here. So I'm running 1.1.4, so if you have 1.1.3 or newer, you go into mobile, media, and then ROMs. If you don't have a ROMs folder, you're going to need to create one. It's capital R, capital O, capital M, lowercase s. It has to be capitalized like that or it won't work. So once you do that, you need to create a GBA folder. Now if you don't have a GBA folder, which I don't think I've never had it where it pops up after I install gpsphone, you're going to need to create it, capital G, capital B, capital A. So basically what you do is you're going to right click, new folder, make the folder, and that's it. It's the same thing when you create the ROMs folder. You just right click where you want it, new folder, blah 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 blah. So once you have GBA, you're going to need to download ROMs. Now, Google is your friend on this. Pretty much Google GBA ROMs, and you'll find something. I'll have a link for where you can get ROMs in the video description as well. So once you do that, you're going to go back into wherever you downloaded the ROMs to, and you're going to click and drag. So we will have, I don't know what we want, we'll put Bomberman on here. So we go over to here, and you just click and you drag it and you let go, and it's putting it right onto the phone without downloading anything, without using the Wi-Fi connection to my phone, and Bomberman is now in my phone. Now that's about as simple as I can get it. I'll show you what it does here. Oh, I gotta unplug this crap. See in there. Now Bomberman is right there at the top of the list. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to press Start New Game. And it loads up. And there it is. There's Bomberman. Never played this before, so I have no idea what the hell I'm doing right now. But anyway, it works. You know what button to press. There we go. Okay. So, if you had trouble with this, comment, message, I'll get back to you.